Hello, my people. How una dey? My name na Umaru Adedeshi, and na me be the founder of Ice Cream Mobile Care. I don come again today. Say make I tell una say copy or face screen no dey last. Why una dey waste una money when we get original mobile phone screen for here? This one wey dey here like this na cover 4 original parts from factory. Make una no waste money, make una save una money, save the stress when we get the original one for here. No bother yourself, all the one wey dey sell for market na fake or dey call am copy. We get the original one for here. First time, we get 3 months warranty. If anything happen to am, which we know say nothing go happen to am, but if anything even happen to am, carry am come, we go fix am for you for free. This one no be say dem say na wetin we dey do, na wetin we don dey do. Thank you, my people. I go see una later.